You've likely heard of WordPress, an open source content management system, or CMS, that you can use as a digital publishing platform. Installing WordPress within Create Digital can be done in just a few simple steps. Log in to Create Digital and start from your cPanel. From the Applications section, select the WordPress button. You'll see information on the latest version of WordPress, can check on what's new, can explore live demonstrations of WordPress, and can click through the showcase to see examples of sites created using WordPress. When you've finished exploring and are ready to install, select the Install this application button from the top right. You'll select the location to which you would like to install this instance of WordPress. You can select the HTTPS option from the dropdown, or can scroll to choose any subdomains that you've previously created within your account. The domain or subdomain you select will make up the base of your site URL. If you'd like to add a subdirectory, which will add additional characters to the end of your site URL, you can do so from the directory option. The URL for your WordPress site will be automatically generated from the domain and the directory. Next, you'll select the version of WordPress you'd like to install. The most recent recommended version will be the default selection. You can choose to install a clean site, or you can select from templates that have been created for your use, such as True Collector or True Writer, which are useful for collaborative publishing projects. Make sure you read through the end user license agreement, and if you accept, select the appropriate button. You can choose to automatically update to new versions of WordPress, WordPress plugins, and WordPress themes, and to automate backups in case of an update failure. Attention to the Settings section. You'll need to create a secure username and password, which should not be your USC network credentials. Your email address will be automatically populated. This is a section that you can title your blog and add a tagline, although these can always be changed after installation. I suggest limited failed login attempts for increased security. Keep the No button selected in the Enable Multi-Site area. I also suggest allowing your settings to be automatically managed, but if you're comfortable making adjustments, you can do so in the Advanced section. Once you have installed each field, select the Install button at the bottom right of the screen. You'll be taken to the Installatron, where you can view your installed applications, including your new WordPress instance. Scroll down until you locate your new installed application. Once it's installed, you can access the live version of the site from the top URL. You can access the administrative portal through the URL plus WP-admin, which can also be used to edit your site outside of the Create Digital module. Click the main URL. You now have your own WordPress instance.